This kanji have the own yumi reading ko, ko, ko-u, and kun yumi reading taka, taka. And if you put the i, you can say like takai, takai, like this. This kanji means tall, high, or expensive. That means when we talk about something is tall or something is high or expensive, we will use this kanji. For example, if you want to talk about the tall mountain, you can use this kanji. Tall mountain, tall. For example, tall mountain can say like takai, right? Takai yama. Mountain means in Japanese like yama, and tall means takai. So you can say takai yama. Or when we say about the price, for example, the price in the market is going to up or is going to down. The price in the market is going to up. It means expensive. So you can say something is expensive. So the expensive you can say takai, right? For example, you want to say this product is expensive, or this clothes is expensive. You can use like kono fuku wa takai, right? Or you can say nedan ga takai. This means the price is expensive. Or when you talk about the tall people, you can also use the takai. So everything we talk about the tall or the high or something like the price or expenses, we can use this kanji to explain. And the most important thing for learning Japanese kanji, you should know the meaning of each kanji, so that when we use this kanji to make the compound noun with another kanji, you can know the meaning. And for the reading, you should know the on-yumi reading and the kun-yumi reading. So when you make the compound noun with another kanji, you can know how to read and the meaning. Or something maybe you cannot understand, you cannot read because Japanese kanji is quite difficult. So something you don't know how to read, but you see the kanji and you know the meaning of the kanji, so you can say you can guess that this kanji mean like this. For example, this kanji is mean the tall or expensive. So when we put this kanji with another kanji, so it also mean that something is high or tall or expensive, like this. So in the next we will learn how to use this kanji